The class listened in rapt attention as one by one the children spoke about actors, sports stars, politicians, and so on. When Kabir got up to speak, his hands shook slightly and beads of precipitation appeared on his forehead. He was not accustomed to facing the entire class and speaking out aloud. He knew that he did not have a flair for making speeches. So, one after the other, the students came in front of the class and they shared their views. So, now Kabir's turn came. So, Kabir was a student who was not accustomed to deliver speeches, so he was quite nervous. However, he had worked hard on this assignment and had written it from the depth of his heart. It was different from the others and it did not focus on any one person, profession, or quality. It was a combination of traits and people from different walks of life, people who had stirred Kabir's heart. But Kabir gathered all his courage because he had worked hard for this assignment and he has written this assignment from the depth of his heart, and the assignment was not based on one person. It was based on several people, and he had described combination of trade of people from different walks of life, and these were the people who have won Kabir's heart. Clearing his throat, he began, "When I grow up, I want to be like Lieutenant Colonel Sankalp Kumar, who was martyred fighting militants at Uri, Jammu and Kashmir on 5th December 2014." A hush fell over the class. So Kabir, he just cleared his throat, gathered all his courage, and began with his speech. He said, "When I'll grow up, I want to be like Lieutenant Colonel Sankalp Kumar, who has given his life during the militant attack at Uri, Jammu Kashmir on 5th December 2014. The whole class became silent. "When I grow up, I want to be brave like Major Sandeep Unikrishnan, the young National Security Guard NSG commando who laid down his life fighting the terrorists in Mumbai in November 2008. Kabir continued. So next Kabir discussed Sandeep Unikrishnan. He says Major Sandeep Unikrishnan, he was a National Security Guard commando who has laid down his life fighting against the terrorists in Mumbai, November 2008. Now the class became all silent. There was pin drop silence in the class. No one moved. No one uttered a word. All of them kept looking at Kabir without blinking. So all the students, they were looking at Kabir. Kabir impressed almost all the class. Kabir continued. Sandeep Unikrishnan had made up his mind when he was in class 3 that he wanted to join the army. When he joined the army, he served 2 tenures with his battalion in counter-insurgency and counter-terrorism operations before becoming a part of NSG in January 2007. So Major Sandeep Unikrishnan, he has made up his mind to join Indian Army when he was quite young, when he was in class 3. So after his recruitment in the army, he became the part of NSG, National Security Guard, in January 2007. Major Sandeep Unikrishnan was deployed on on the 27th of November to clear Hotel Taj of terrorists. So Major Sandeep Unikrishnan, he got the task to clear the terrorists from Hotel Taj on 27th of November. On entering the hotel with his team, he engaged the terrorists in a fierce gunfight when one of his commandos was hit in exchange of fire. He arranged for the evacuation even though he knew that his life was in danger. Major Sandeep Nikrishnan went after the terrorists. So Major Sandeep Nikrishnan, he entered inside the Hotel Taj with his team, and one of his commando, he got injured. So he also arranged for the evacuation of that commando. He knew it in a very well manner that their life is in danger, but the courageous Sandeep Nikrishnan told the rest of his team, "Don't come up, I'll handle them." He followed the terrorist who had escaped to another floor of the hotel. A fierce gun battle ensued as he was hit by their bullets. A hero had fallen. So, as a team leader, Sandeep Nikrishnan was the first. He directed his team that first I will check and then you people follow me. And the terrorists at that time, they escaped to the another floor of the hotel, and when Sandeep Nikrishnan, he faced them and they attacked on him, and finally he was hit by their many bullets and a hero had fallen.